Okay, Gary High-Tech, servicing a 2011 Nissan Maxima cylinder. Got this one in today. Appears to have had some damage. Key does not match the factory coating, so we're going to have to open the cylinder and see why, per the customer request. Now, anybody I've talked to about servicing these, foreign car keys especially, put a cylinder key or the key that was supposed to go to it in the cylinder, this type plate will pop off fairly easily, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Just take the end of a screwdriver, tap it, pops it forward, everything comes out. So now you can see what's wrong with this thing. Besides, the inner face cap's all messed up, and somebody didn't put the face door, which is the dust cover. They took it out. Appears that we have a stuck wafer in the last position. That would be this one, number 10. The only reason I say that is when you pull the key out, there's no movement. Okay, so either when the person who possibly rekeyed this or did whatever to it, they didn't, maybe they missed putting a spring in or something like that. Okay. Now, how you can tell you got damage problems is when you look at this and you see the green corrosion, which is pretty evident here. Then you have some sharp, brassy indications up by the end. That usually will tell you your tail. And luckily around the old truck we keep a few tools around, so take the spring and that out. See what's going on here. What you're looking for when you want to find a bad wafer is one that's clicking. I can hear it clicking, so I just got to find it. It's either got corrosion in it or it's bent or been broken. I'll put you on hold a minute while I find that. When we look at it, you see a wafer move side to side. They don't do that. That'll be your one that's sticking. So it's like the third one in would be this one. attempt to remove it and find out why. Okay, on checking against the code, someone had put a number 3. Numbers are stamped there on the edge, barely can see it, where number 2 should be. So that is going to be the main cause of the problem, because Nissans they'll work a little bit when you do that, but when you have just 20 thousandths in between, not so much. So we're going to try to replace all that and put everything back in, make a run for it. Okay, seem to have it. I'm going to put it back together and put it back in the car.